Hi, Interpersonal Communication. Welcome to week 2 of distance learning and hybrid learning and being in class and not in class, all that good stuff. This video is an overview of the week. I'm going to tell you about what you have to do this week, kind of the order that you're going to go about things, and what to do if you get stuck. So let's take a look at the weekly schedule, and you can find this. This is the first thing located in the IC Week 2 folder. Notice that the due date is 9/25, that's Friday, so everything in this folder needs to be turned in by then. So let's look at each day. Monday, your job is to watch Interpersonal Communication Chapter 1 video notes in Edpuzzle. So that I made that video, and it's basically what it looks like is it's going to load a video right here. It's going to have you answer questions, follow along as I talk through the notes, which will be sweet for you, sweet for me to see and make sure that you do it. In addition, if you have a tough time following along through the video, the Chapter 1 textbook reading, all the notes that we give came from this textbook. So if you prefer to read, feel free to download that and read it. Not everybody has to do that, but if you want to do that, you can. Also, you need to do a note sheet for the notes that we give. So what's going to happen is you can download this note guide PDF and put it into Notability, and then you can complete it. It's the second one, notes guide right here. That's the one that you want to complete. These Chapter 1 note slides are just the text of the notes that I'm talking about in the video. So you have access to both of those, but you need to show us that you are doing. Had a little interruption there, sorry. So for this Chapter 1 notes sheet that you have to do, you need to download this guide into Notability. You could also download it and write it out in a notebook, take a picture and upload it. But you're showing us here that you know how to take notes from the video just like you would in class, and make sure that you can understand the key information from each part of the lesson. The last thing that you have to do on Monday is read this journal called the Line Journal. This is a PDF. You can download it into Notability if you want to record or write stuff on it, but you could also just open it up in Schoology and read it. On the computer, it'll download. But basically, it's a little article just about lying and talks a little bit about that. And you're going to respond to that article with an audio recording. So in your iPad, in the top right corner, there's a plus button, and you're going to submit an audio answer. And basically, you're just going to tell me what your thoughts are, summarize your thoughts on lying, in an answer. 15 seconds to 1 minute is kind of all I'm asking for. But instead of having you type out a full answer, I just want you to record what you think and share it with me. So that's Monday. Then on Tuesday, you're going to watch a video from Mrs. Roth, who's the other interpersonal teacher. She's going to talk about social norms. Then there's a social norm practice assignment where you're going to watch some Super Bowl commercials that are clearly breaking social norms. And you're going to watch those videos and kind of get a sense of, yeah, it's pretty clear that these people aren't doing the things that they're supposed to do in that situation. And then you're going to respond in a discussion. Now, these discussions everybody can see, so you got to make sure that you kind of bring your A game when it comes to what you're posting. What you have to do, just make sure you read the instructions of what to include. Examples, choose a setting of your choice. 3 examples of social rules that are kept. 3 examples are social rules that can be broken. We're going to need to brainstorm different things because you're going to have to create a video the rest of the week. On Wednesday, this is a full distance learning day for everybody. Remember, if you're a full distance learning student, you want to make sure that this is the time where you schedule a time to kind of WebEx with me a little bit. Everybody else, in addition, is going to read and think about handshakes. There's an article here. There's a video and some articles. You can pick one to learn about how handshakes are and how they've changed now that we're in this coronavirus pandemic. And then another discussion. So you make sure you read the instructions about what you're supposed to do with the posting. There's a little help there, but you're looking at handshakes as social norms. Thursday and Friday are creating your own video. So there's a video here that's explaining to you what exactly your video is going to entail. We're not looking for you to be, Martin Scorsese or anything, but you're going to create a video where you're showing a social norm and also breaking a social norm. This is a way for us to assess that you understand what social norms are and you've kind of thought about communication a little bit this week. So you're going to start working on a planning document, turn that in, and then also create your video and upload that. And so that's your week, Monday through Friday. Some of the time, obviously, you might be with me. Some of the time you won't. If you ever get stuck, ask questions through email, and we'll find a way to figure it out. Have a great week.